Hello, in front of me I've got Oppo Reno 8 Lite. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's go to settings, enter password and security, and go to lock screen password. Tap continue and enter numeric. As you can see right here, we've got first lock screen password type, which is 6-digit password. Let's set it. And let's use it to unlock the phone. Next, we can set 4-digit password. And then 4 to 16-digit password. Once it's done, let's go to alphanumeric. And set your alphanumeric password containing 4 to 16 characters. And in the end, we can set pattern. Once it's done, we can go back and enter Face Unlock. Thanks to this function, you'll be able to unlock your phone via your face. Simply scan your face in this area. Now my face is scanned, I can use it to unlock the phone. And the last method to unlock your phone is fingerprint. Simply scan your fingerprint on the sensor located at the bottom of the screen. Tap the sensor multiple times and each time adjust the fingerprint position. Now let's use fingerprint to unlock the phone. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.